Here we have a worksheet with data and the first row serving as column headers. And we might want to sort or filter the data in this worksheet on any of these columns. An easy way to do that is to convert these cells, format them as a table. Now our data begins in cell A1 and concludes in column T, row 233. Now I could select that range by starting my selection in row A1 and hold the shift key and select cell T233, and it selects the entire range of cells. But since these are contiguous cells, there's no blank rows or columns, I can select anywhere within that range, A1 to T233, and select Format as Table from the Home tab Styles group. And I can pick a predefined style for my table. It prompts me with the selected range, which I could change if I want to. There's a checkbox here to indicate whether or not your table has headers. And if you note, remember I said row 1 is serving as headers. So in this case, we want to make sure that my table has headers. If your row 1 is actual data, you want to deselect that, and Excel will automatically insert a new row 1 with just generic column headers as column 1, column 2, and so on. And I click OK, and my data is converted to a table. Notice that each heading has this pull down arrow. We can easily sort ascending or descending on any column. And also note that we can filter. We can select every option in this particular column of departments. But if I want a specific department, I'm going to pick mine, which is CST, and click OK. I get only. Now the other rows are not deleted, they're simply hidden from view right now. I could further filter, and let's go by filtering on a name where I'll select just mine and click OK. I can easily clear those filters. And I'd also like to point out that we can filter on multiple values. For example, in the sections, if I want to look at only the blended sections, which begin with the 700s, I can select FA710 and select every FA700 section, click OK, and now my table displays only the 700 sections. I hope you find this useful.